In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background picture in PowerPoint. A simple yet effective way to enhance your presentations and make them truly stand out. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, but it makes a significant impact on the visual appeal of your slides. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and start the PowerPoint application. This can usually be done by clicking on its icon on your desktop or searching for it in your list of applications. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to navigate to the specific presentation where you want to add a background image. Open the presentation by selecting File from the top menu, then click on Open and locate your presentation file on your computer. Once found, simply click on it to open. Now that your presentation is open, let's move on to where the magic happens, the Design tab. At the top of your screen, you'll see a series of tabs, including one labeled Design. Click on this tab to access a range of options that will help you customize the look of your presentation. Within the Design tab, look towards the right hand side for an option that says Format Background. This is a critical step because clicking Format Background allows you to make changes specifically to the slide backgrounds, separate from the main content of your slides. After you've clicked Format Background, a panel will appear to the right filled with several options. Here you want to select Picture or Texture Fill. This option enables you to use a picture rather than a solid color or gradient as your slide background. Once you've selected Picture or Texture Fill, you'll notice there's now an option to Insert. Clicking on Insert will allow you to choose the picture you'd like to use as your background. Now it's time to browse for your image. Once you click Insert, a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Locate the image you're envisioning as your background. This could be a personal photo, a branded image, or any high-quality picture that complements your presentation. Click on the file you want to use and then select Insert. PowerPoint will automatically upload this image as your background, covering the entire slide with it. And there you have it, you've successfully added a background image to your PowerPoint slide. This visual enhancement can help communicate your message more effectively and make your presentation more engaging. Now you can go ahead and apply this background to selected slides or the entire presentation by using the Apply to All button if you wish. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating more visually appealing presentations.